Hello, I'm Mark Schaldhouse, and because things on the internet seem to lose their date references pretty quick, today is Wednesday, November 20th, 2024. On Tuesday, November 19th, 2024, we did Disneyland and Disney California Adventure in Anaheim, California. And here's our short videos. One of the portions is our trip through the Haunted Mansion, which has been revamped and updated for their seasonal presentation of Christmas, which is always fun. And they are in a new mode now. They are in starting to go into virtual queues, and I think you can only get one virtual queue at a time. So we got our entry into the Haunted Mansion virtual queue at around 11 o'clock in the morning. That's when we recorded it, and I think it was around 9:15 at night that we finally made it in. So I think you can only be in one virtual queue at a time. Anyways, whatever the details are on that, I'm not quite sure. Part of this video is our video tour of the Haunted Mansion set up for Christmas, which is always fun. And we found some snow. They were doing the, I think it was Fantasia light show, and then the light show on top of It's a Small World. And properly, It's a Small World is always in lowercase. And I found an exception. At Disneyland, I found an exception. And the store is in uppercase, totally in uppercase. So, kind of curious, but It's a Small World is properly in lowercase at all times. My understanding in talking to Disney higher-ups when I was doing some research for a book that never got printed. Anyways, let's get on with it. It was a cool day up there, and then it got cold at night, and they generate snow now for one of their shows. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you in another one. The snow, part of a light show over by Pirates of the Caribbean and New Orleans Square, Tom Sawyer Island, in that area. These couple of shots are Main Street looking at the Christmas tree or looking away from the Christmas tree, and it was crowded. There were a lot of strollers and a lot of those personal convenience electric cart things. And Sleeping Beauty's castle has been enhanced. I think it was the last time we were up, it was covered up as the enhancements were put in place. But part of this is the lighting effect once the sun goes down. I didn't take any photos of this before the sun went down, so you can't see the difference, and I apologize for that. Earlier this year, 2024, the Haunted Mansion was closed and covered over as they enhanced the exterior and reset the interior for the holidays. And here's our video visit of the Haunted Mansion.
So ring out the bells, there's more cheer to uncover.
love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with the pulse of secure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer.
On his back. It was strange and bizarre. On the attack.
At this point on the ride at the Haunted Mansion, somebody normally rides in your doom buggy with you, and this time here it didn't happen. The pop-ups were behind us or in front of us. Kind of disappointing.
Santa Claus, we're bringing your cheer. Please hurry back. We can't wait to.
If you look at the books about Disneyland and you look at the app about attractions in the park, rides in the parks, you'll see that It's a Small World is always in all lowercase letters. It was intended that way. And here it is in uppercase letters, in the park. We hadn't planned on it. As seen in these still shots, Small World was set out for Christmas beautifully. And then I just decided to video the clock, and this is what we got.
Yeah.
The last of these shots are in the Star Wars land, and they're not associated with Christmas. They're just Disney is really good on presentation, image, whatever else, in lighting effects after dark, and these are some examples. I'm trying to wrap this video up, and I'm trying to say what I want to say without alienating a whole lot of people. Disneyland for me, not so much Disney California, Disneyland for me is a PTSD resort. PTSD due to a military career, losing way too many guys. And I go to Disneyland to feel good. I go to Disneyland during Christmas time in particular for the joy, the love, the presentation, the euphoria, whatever you want to call it. And you've seen it in these photos, in particular with Small World. And it's so much fun. But a very, very few minority of our fellow guests, in particular with those personal electronic vehicle things, those scooter things, and what they are demanding, imposing upon the rest of us by the way they operate those scooters, I disagree with. I think we need traffic cops at Disneyland now, and I think we need to start taking those people who demand, impose, inconvenience, hurt the rest of us. I was hit several times yesterday by those carts, and one lady in particular just started to chew me out for getting in her way. I was standing still, and she ran into me. And she started chewing me out for getting in her way because she's on one of these carts. I disagree with that. I enjoyed Disneyland. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the preaching. Hope to see you in another one.